You want to share that testimonial?
Yeah.
Today is the day. You are here with us, just the three of us, me, you, and Kandan, and we are here to do a workshop tomorrow morning. You come to help us, huh?
Yes, sir.
Now you couldn't do this many years back, huh?
Yes.
You probably go around the temple on a day. Today you're serving mankind, helping people who can. You should be the ambassador for irritable bowel syndrome, ambassador for tinnitus, and ambassador for rheumatoid arthritis, and ambassador for gastric pain. And we put it into a website so people can call you and talk to you, and you can give them a lot of moral support and how to heal these things. How you yourself have gone through, and you are the only one still having all the medication that you remember. So much of medication. Tell me, in 1 week, how many times you go see a doctor?
2 times?
2 times minimum. Because of all the pain, and all give you medicine and medicine and medicine. In 1 day, how many medicine you take?
I've taken until 20 times.
20 different types of medicine a day, maximum for everything.
No, 20 tablets.
Oh, 20 tablets
Tablets
a day.
a day.
My God.
Gastric, this, that.
Everything, all kind of complication,
all
huh?
kind of complication.
Not one, everything, but many for each and everything.
Yeah,
Okay?
yes.
And then you were telling me about what you were telling me just now?
That one day I had very...
One day you had very bad tinnitus.
Yes.
Okay.
But it was very noisy. Morning 6 o'clock. The whole night I couldn't sleep, so I waited until 6:30 in the morning to call you. But you were away to US. You were
USA.
in Seattle.
In Seattle, America.
And then your brother took the phone and he said you were away. But I think I said I can't handle this, and I feel like I'm so sad because I can't sleep.
Committing suicide. Yes, that's how many
the
people.
whole night I couldn't
Yes.
sleep because of the tinnitus.
This
It
is
was
so
very
noisy. Yes.
I start reading and all that. Nothing. I cannot even read because my eyes was very watery, tears and all that. So then you called me.
I called you, huh?
Called me. You all called me sharp morning about 7 something, and I was really totally lost. I was really lost that day. You all called me and you just told me, just take the information, put your ajna and go to bed.
And
Because
go to
at
bed.
that time we don't have teachers, we don't have others to help.
Very,
except
very
your-
beginning. Huh?
Yes, very early.
And you think what happened? I would have healed you from there.
Yeah, I know. Because when I wake up, it's gone.
How many hours?
I
slept?
slept. I really slept until I think about 1 o'clock. I woke up.
Noon.
Noon.
Or 7 o'clock a.m. where I called you.
Yes.
Must have been night in the evening
No.
there, no? Yeah, so 12 hours difference.
Yes, that was one of the very best experience I had with Beyond HP.
And you slept with the affirmation on your head.
I don't know. Then
Page number 7.
I can't
Whatever.
remember. I cannot remember.
And then you slept
because
and-
it happened 9 years ago.
Then
And
all
I
became
slept.
fine.
So many times when you all were in Indonesia, you all healed my stomach ache. So many times whenever needed. You are like 999.
Hey,
Really?
999 ba?
Yes,
I
999.
see.
Now we have you have teachers 999, but
Okay.
you was my first 999.
999. Huh?
Yes, anytime. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. So, now, the therapies, Selvi, you have gone through in Ipoh, where you are living. What kind of therapies you've gone through to reduce or to find a way to cure your arthritis, your rheumatoid arthritis? Of course, medical is one thing.
Right.
Other than medical, what did you do?
The doctor sent for physiotherapy, wax therapy,
Wax therapy,
Wax, like you have hot candles.
hot candles, real liquid candles.
Not very hot lah. So you have to.
But for candle to melt, it must be very hot, you know. Candle don't melt at 50 degrees C.
Then what is that? The wax therapy lah, sir.
Okay, it's melting. Is it hot?
Not very hot, tender little bit.
Okay.
So to let your hand to
And you put it inside also. Did that help?
reduce the pain.
Did it burn? Did it burn you?
No,
You see, when you put something heat, when you put heat, the blood starts to flow.
Okay.
You know, like for example, they put deep heating rub. You know, deep heating rub, and then you put hot water.
Yeah.
It's like that. You put hot water. It helps the blood to flow, and it's good. And then you come back again. You see, rheumatoid arthritis is totally different from whatever you're talking about. No.
This is to reduce the pain.
And how much you put? How many times you do?
Or like 1 week once.
And then?
And then they send you for the hydrotherapy, got water. Then you go
All that.
all that.
Didn't work.
Work like little bit lah.
And then
But it's not a cure. Huh? It's not a cure.
just the pain relief.
Pain relief.
Just pain relief
and then
only.
exercise for the fingers.
Right, of course. And then?
And then go for massage.
Okay, and then Atha temple all?
Go pray lah.
How many temples you went? How many Atha you went?
Two.
Huh? All Atha. Since what is that? What is that? Nagama. What did Nagama tell you? Eat egg.
No lah.
You take the skin of the snake and pray. And then just do puja. How many puja you did?
Not lah.
And did she come in trance?
No.
No, not you come in trance. When people go in trance, you meet them.
No, I don't like. No, I don't.
Or you don't go and sleep in trance. You just go and pray only. But they come in trance, you run away lah. Or you don't see them, people say, so how many times you temple all, pray all, puja all. Until now also you're doing, isn't it?
No.
Now you stop already. Why? Didn't help you what?
After meeting PVH, soul realization.
Yeah, that meant you didn't get help from them. You were going. You see, no temple teach you about your physical body.
No.
They don't teach you about food also.
No.
Just come, pray, do this and go back and sing Devaram and go back and sing all Amman
Something
Tam
you
Tam,
don't
that's all.
understand.
Something you don't even understand, huh? You go Devaram classes all.
No.
You went before or you,
No.
you never went before. So you've been everything, huh? I still remember one lady was having the same problem in India. They pour live wax on her. The skin all burned for the knee pain. Did Varma. And all she did was she came to my class, removed the black man, changed food. In 6 months she was walking. She got no problem today. 6 months she was, So please understand that. So when the dark energy comes, it messes up with the energy flow. When that energy flow messes up, it doesn't able to digest the food properly, and all of this thing will go. So all you had lots and lots of black magic. Okay? Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah? Okay. பண்றீங்க நீலகண்ட சாட்சி
I am a rheumatoid arthritis.
Okay, tell.
My fingers were deformed since 2006 until 2012.
12.
And then
What you had?
I had rheumatoid arthritis, cervical spondylitis, and I was unable to even carry 1 kilogram or even 500 gram of things in my hand.
500 grams.
Grams you cannot carry lah. 100 also
Nothing.
cannot.
100 grams you cannot.
Very
That bad.
pain lah because deformation. Now
How many years?
2006 to 2012. I was
6 years. How much of medication you took for this?
lot lah.
Medical could help you?
No lah.
Nothing.
Just suppress my immune system lah.
That's all. Suppressed only. Yeah? But the pain was still there.
Yeah,
It's
deformed.
getting worse.
Slowly.
So they say it's an autoimmune system.
Yes. Autoimmune disease.
Nothing else, huh? And they were giving suppression for that. It was not working.
MTX. MTX.
MTX and then
And then hydrochloroquine.
hydrochloroquine.
Chloroquine. And then prednisolone.
Prednisolone. You were taking all of these things.
All lah.
How many times a day?
MTX 1 week 5 or 6 tablets depends, because I couldn't get along with prednisolone and hydrochloroquine, so
Okay.
they have to put me on MTX lah.
You were doing all of these things, huh?
Yeah, very pain.
Okay. So it's so painful.
Yeah, now you see,
So it's a gratitude. What are you going to do now? You're massaging Mr. Siva.
hold you, sir. I can hold you. Yeah. Yes, no, got grip on us, sir.
நல்லா இருக்கு madam.
Got grip, isn't it?
Seriously, huh?
Hey, I was unable to even hold a doorknob.
So now you become a doorknob you can open.
Very difficult.
You can't even open the door.
That's the first sign that I had rheumatoid arthritis.
Oh my God. Seriously.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after medication can you open the doorknob?
Yes.
After medication you can open. Why?
Because it's
You don't feel the pain. It's a painkiller.
No, it suppresses the immune system
Okay.
that attacks the joint lah.
Okay.
So it slow downs the activity, the inflammation rate.
Okay. So you could open.
Okay.
Now you're on zero drugs.
Already 8 years lah.
8 years now.
Yeah,
After PVH.
after meeting you lah.
And now you're massaging me.
You see, I cannot believe it,
Wow.
Ciao.
See, இங்க பாருயா டேய்.
Okay,
இங்க
thank
பாரு
you.
என்ன பண்றானே.
Thank you.
சீரியஸா பண்றா மசாஜ்.
Really, pa? You can't believe or not? Hey, believe. Tell, what's up, pa? Can. Ting. Really, pa? Thank you so much.
Innas.
What would have happened if I would have continued taking the MTS?
And you have not met PVH. What would have happened if you had not met PVH and you didn't come on that temple on that morning You didn't come to the temple. Remember, I still remember you know, you came to one temple, no? It's a Kali temple.
Yeah, yeah.
You're a Kali ardent fan from the day you were a small child. Kali was everything.
Yeah.
You came to the workshop, sat down there, and look at me like Kali looking at me. I remember you very well. ஒரு
Yes,
கொண்டு
Appa.
நின்றுக்கிட்டே ஒரு மாதிரி நையாண்டியா கேள்வி கேட்டீங்க
No lah.
அந்த டைம்ல
Yes, Appa. Yes, Appa.
எனக்கு வந்து காளி கோயில்ல கிளாஸ் நடத்துறேன் நானு
Oh, that's brought you to PVH Ipoh now.
எக்ஸாக்ட்லி காளி ஒரு ஆப்பா எனக்கு காளிக்கே ஒரு ஆப்பா எனக்கு காளிக்கே ஒரு ஆப்பா
And I cannot believe I can do it.
And how many years you believe in Kali?
Yes. I think, as I remember, small.
From a small child, huh? And there's nothing that could be done by this belief system, huh? It's just faith. It is not right, huh? Because no temple in Kali will tell you stop eating police or stop eating all of this thing. And don't you had a lot of black magic when it came, you know.
I don't know why.
Remember, once the black magic is gone, and then with the food and all, then your body will start to heal. That's all, nothing else.
And then tinnitus. How bad?
How many years did tinnitus?
2007 until 2012 lah. All.
Wow, that time everything
Hey,
came.
can you see? I can bend my knee.
You couldn't bend your knees.
Well, now very pain, inflammation.
No more knee pain all.
And then the meniscus also torn, you know, in the left.
Huh.
Left. Doctor asked me to go for op and I didn't.
Wow. So now you're squatting in the bed
Ah.
and you're massaging me
Yes.
happily.
Yes.
Wow. Kaparya.
Didn't do.
And what do you call me?
Appa.
Appa. That means what in English?
Father.
You're my father.
Yes. So
So-
much of emotion, so much of pain, you know.
And you're a government school teacher. And how your life is improved.
Thank you so much. More confident.
Wonderful.
Thank
Thank you for massaging my leg. Thank you. It's
Thank you,
wonderful.
Appa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You were saying that you were wearing splint?
Ah.
How?
Like a chin. So that this one doesn't deform. The fingers doesn't deform.
Oh, you did all that? Like a big thing lah, like a big thing.
Like a
Like a
chin-chin,
big thing lah, like a big ring that goes so the thing don't deform to keep it straight. Wow, you still have them?
No, one splint itself is 35 ringgit in
Okay.
HUKM.
And you use it forever.
No. After about 2 months, it will tend to break. And
You buy new one.
I mean, you have a good.
Oh, so that-
you go to
wow.
occupational therapist.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you buy that and you put all. How many fingers you
Not
put?
buyer, you have to go to the occupational therapist and then
They'll measure.
They will measure. and
Custom
give it
make for this.
customized for you.
How many did you make for all the fingers except for the thumb?
I cannot remember, sir. I think 3 or 4 fingers.
So that the finger don't bend.
Doesn't here.
But your foot was your foot affected? Sometimes also the fingers and also the foot, you
Mine
know.
was more on my fingers. the
Fingers
joint
and
here,
joints,
and,
knee.
Major joints,
Wow, that's bad, you know.
cervical, C3.
The whole bone system, lah.
Yes, it's all the joints here, erosion here. All.
Wow.
Because my factor activity
You
was
could
very
be
high.
bedridden, you know.
Yeah.
What was the factor?
The factor activity.
Factor
very
activity-
high. The-
factor activity was very high. Did you
like
go-
diabetes? They say very high.
Okay, so
the
there's
reading
one
was
for
very
there's
high.
one for rheumatoid arthritis.
Reading
Now,
very
did you go and check now? Before and after?
After 2012 when Dr. Carol, when I did the test, the rheumatoid factor activity test,
Mm-hmm.
there were no presence of rheumatoid arthritis. So then I stopped taking medication.
Wow, became zero.
Ah.
So doctors thought that they cured you, lah.
I went for a private test.
Yeah, but they thought they cured you, lah. But actually, it's all PVH and your own healing. You heal. Remember, you heal yourself, huh?
Yes, I heal myself.
We told you how to heal,
Yes.
and you went and healed yourself.
Yes, everyday healing. Every
Understand?
day.
Ah,
And I was having irritable bowel syndrome.
Irritable bowel syndrome. That's how you manage. Wait. Now, you had also had irritable bowel
Bowel
syndrome.
syndrome, yes.
How many years you had irritable bowel syndrome?
Since I think 17, 18 years long. Young.
So at the age of 17 years old, you already
I'm
had.
very scared to travel anywhere without medication. A long journey, I'm traveling in bus. I make sure I take Imodium. That's it.
Imodium?
To
What does Imodium do?
To stop diarrhea.
Stop your diarrhea. Stop.
Until I reach a station. I reach
my God.
bed. And I don't take antibiotics already. How many years I'm not taking antibiotics already?
You had antibiotic also for irritable bowel syndrome.
No, not for that. For flu, the different
Everything.
sore throat, and then tonsillitis.
You are messed up, lah, physically. Now, how many years? 0 antibiotics.
How many years? I also cannot remember. I
You
think-
can't remember how many years. That means you're a medical freak.
And I can.
You're a medical freak.
Yeah. Bundle of medicines. Travel with bundle of medicines.
My God.
Probiotics. Buscopan.
What?
Buscopan also.
What's Buscopan?
Stomach, using for stomach pain.
Buscopan.
Buscopan.
No, tell me all the medicine you've taken. I'm very amazed to
I
know.
cannot remember.
Buscopan?
So many.
But you remember all his names.
All antibiotics. I cannot get along with a lot of antibiotics.
Allergy
The
for
last antibiotic that I was able to go along was Ciprosan.
Ciprosan.
After that, I don't take it. I many years already now don't take it also. No problem. Anything I heal. Like
So irritable bowel syndrome
irritable bowel syndrome.
is 0 now.
I don't have a problem already.
No more problem, huh?
Just eat the stomach.
Wow.
Gastritis. How many years I was taking gastritis?
Gastritis also.
How many years I was taking medicine? What all medicine? Started from what that magnesium tricyclic. I can't remember the name. From that until Nexium.
Stronger.
Omeprazole, Nexium.
My God.
How long I've been taking medication.
This is why I'm trying to tell
My
people.
card, my medical card, you know how thick was it?
Can you get a copy of the medical card?
Cannot, now they threw also already. They don't. No single paper only. When I want MC, I go to ask that. Single paper only now.
Now,
Single paper only.
the doctor who saw you never get amazed. How come you're so well now? Did any doctors ask you? Some who know you,
No,
know.
all will ask me, how's your finger? Kai, viral
You tell them, I'm healing, doing alternative therapy. Paramari see someone heal me. None of this medication heal me.
They know I'm in PVH.
They know you. Why don't you come and learn from them, from us, and teach all your, help all your other customers? You know what this doctor should do? Because there are some of them are specialized in orthodontic. What do you call them? What do you see them? What doctors you see?
I see a rheumatologist.
Right. They should ask you and give an example to help all the other patients who are coming there.
Sir, one more thing I want to tell you. You see, that day you remember I told you I was in the Grab with a COVID patient. Okay? But
He was a COVID patient.
I told you, I called you.
Okay.
He was a COVID patient and the KKM called me. But I didn't get COVID. I was close contact with him.
No, the problem is you don't
Because
understand. Yeah.
I'm telling you this because I had rheumatoid arthritis and my immune system was messed up, right?
Yeah.
That means I could.
You are susceptible to more effect.
I'm very close to it.
So you have no effect at all. Huh? Were you quarantined?
No, 4 days lah.
4 days only, and nothing happened. Huh? Yes, because you are all now much better. You're doing prana, you're healing, you're reading forgiveness
sir.
for prana while
I'm very
healing.
sure it is because PVH.
Yes,
And when I called you, you told me it's not.
it's not that. Yeah,
present.
even Gita also. No, somebody have the whole house. Everybody,
Yes,
they're all
yes,
fine.
Sir, that is very sure. That uncle was there for 3 days
The house.
in the house. But you see, none of the family members got it. That means PVH. Then we started to read the affirmations for coronavirus since March until today with you all. It's really clear. I'm very sure about it.
Okay,
Thank
right.
you, PVH.
Thank you. So how did you manage? You're a school teacher. You got to write with your hands. How did you manage?
The occupational therapist has taught me a few skills on how I can know what our daily routine, how to go about with daily routine, like how to open the door, how I can use the pen and pencil. They asked me to use a bigger pen, bigger pencil, make like make it something bigger.
But you are right on blackboard and chalk. Huh?
Blackboard.
How do you manage?
In pain, but I was in medication.
So the pain is not there.
Less.
The pain is not
See,
there.
rheumatoid
Has the pain ever become zero?
No.
Never. So you're just managing pain,
I'm
pain relieving. That's all.
managing
Pain management, not curing your problem.
No.
But you still cannot bend.
But I can, but
That-
not to this level.
That much, huh? That
I
much.
cannot go to this level. I can
Now
do-
you can do this.
Can. See on here last time. First
Bend,
class.
bend, hold your hands up now. No problem, huh? Wow.
Okay.
Very good.
But 8 years no medication, you know. Now
8 years of no medication.
2012 I stopped.
So you joined PVH. After 2 years, all is healing and all. You're fine, totally fine.
Yes. And this pain.
So it
much
took
of
you
pain.
2 years, huh?
2 years.
Proper pH and proper diet.
Proper diet, proper fish.
You still have acidic, sometimes great acid gastric pain, huh?
Because I eat lot.
And you eat all stupid things. I tell you, why you eat this? Why you eat that? Huh? So you have to become strong in order to add something inside.
But now
Okay?
better, sir. Now better. Now better. My stomach better.
Right. You know the other girl, we were healing for 4 years or 6 years? Garmin's daughter.
Yes. So much better now.
She's Crohn's disease, huh?
Yes. It's good.
All because I couldn't help her because the father was not reading affirmation.
Yes.
That bloody stupid fellow. Huh? Now she's fine, huh?
Good. Getting better.
No, only diarrhea only lah. If they heal properly, they will all be fine
Yes,
also.
yes.
வந்துரும் சரியா வந்துரும் இன்னொரு 6 மாசத்துல வந்துரும் நல்லா வந்துரும்.
Eh,